Hi and welcome back to Excel. So to continue from the previous tutorial video, we were looking at this choose. So you might be wondering, okay, I've got this 1, 2, 3, 4 options. How is this useful? How does it help? Well, more often than not, you don't want to fix this. You want it to, okay, let's just copy this over. Oh, it automatically changes the options to the next row. I don't want that. I want it to just do a fixed copy. So what I want to do right here is just to fix these values. Okay, I put a prefix of $sign to lock the column and row. Okay, do for all. Okay, right. Now if I copy over, yeah, it's the same. Now more often than not, I want this to be randomized, or just have something that determines this index number. So I can do something like random between 1 to 4. Okay, and if I scroll it down, then I'm seeing a random column being chosen for each and every cell over here. Okay,